This is G-Skill Trident Z RGB DDR4 RAM, and I bought 4 of these. Why? Because I believe that this is one of the best RAM for gaming and video editing. But I'm going to show you a quick unboxing and also give you more information to support my claim. Let's go. This is the 16GB memory size model, but it comes with two 8GB memory stick. But it's also available in 32, 64, and 128GB model, and you will receive this in an impressive secured packaging. This thin aluminum sticker used to be red, and another one is some information and installation guidance. And now for the RAM. Now you can see the white strip right there. That's the LED RGB, and it's one strip when you look at it from the top when it's lit up. The metal right here is the heat spreader on both sides, and that helps spread and regulates the heat and to keep the RAM from its optimal temperature. And this memory is compatible with Intel processor and Ryzen processor. And the RGB LED also works well with the most commonly used LightSync application like the Asus AuraSync and the MSI LightSync. The model that I'm presenting here is the F4-3600 C18D. And this is a DDR4 3600 with a CAS latency of 18. And the lower the CAS latency, the better performance. That's why this Trident Z RGB is best for gaming and video editing. And here's a fast forward footage on how I installed this memory. Before getting this memory, make sure that you check that your motherboard supports a DDR4 3600. The data transfer rate of this memory is 3600 megahertz, and the memory speed is also 3600 megatransfer per second. And I mentioned the CL18, which is the CAS latency. The lowest CAS latency that G-Skill have is CL15. The lower the CAS latency, the better the performance. But between CL15 and CL18, you will barely notice the difference on the performance. That's why I'm very satisfied with CL18 when it comes to gaming and video editing. So guys, here's what it looks like when it's already lit up and installed. And if you notice that I will also replace the video card of my son's computer. That's why he has extra lights in there. And this one is my setup. And I had my G-Skill Trident Z RGB installed since 2018. And the RGB is not the only thing that is impressive, but also its performance. So guys, this is the G-Skill Trident Z RGB DDR4 RAM. Get yours today. And thanks for watching.